Hello everybody, as you saw in the title, yes, I did an amazing free pack with resources for you, for your editings, not just for videos, but also for photography. So you're gonna be able to use it in After Effects, in Premiere Pro, in Lightroom, in Photoshop, also in your tablet, in your cell phone, everywhere. Now the funny part is that I did it because I reached the 1,000 subscribers. So I was making the video, I was making the pack, but then the subscribers started to come like crazy. Now I'm like, I think in 1,400. So thank you very much for your support, and that's why I did this pack, so I'm happy to share it with you. Let's go to Premiere Pro. I'm gonna show you how to use it.
Okay, my friends, as soon as you go to the description below, you will see the link, and when you download the free pack, you're gonna have this 10K free pack. And you will see this is all the things that I'm giving it to you. This is a lot of things, in LUTs. Oh my god, you're not gonna believe it. It's a lot of LUTs here. I didn't even count them. I just put them together. I think it is like more than 50 LUTs over here. It is amazing. I will show it to you in a bit. And you deserve it. You deserve it. It's more than 1,000 followers already. You deserve it. Now, SFX, you're gonna see here, you have glitches, swipes, and whooshes. This is amazing for transitions. As you can see here, you have like a lot, and this is just the glitches. If we come back here, you can see that you have the same with swipes and whooshes. Also, if we go back here, you're gonna see transitions. This is a pack of transitions. I make it like a preset, so you just install it and you're gonna have a lot of transitions. Again, I didn't count them, just put them together. I think it is more than 50 transitions. Let's go to Premiere Pro. I will show you how to install it. Okay, we're in Premiere Pro. We're gonna start installing the presets. So we come to the effects panel. You come here where it says presets and you just right click and you're gonna put import presets. Here we have the LUTs, okay? You're just gonna click here in the LUTs and put open. Okay, now we're gonna do the same. Right click, we're gonna put import presets, and now we have the LUTs. We're gonna go back here, we're gonna go to transitions, and we're gonna click in transitions 10K, and we're gonna put open. And they are already installed. We go to presets, we just click here, and you can see actually that you have here the master LUTs 10K and you have transitions 10K. Actually, you can see here on the top 100 transitions MarioTech, these are transitions that I gave you away before. So if you don't have them, because there are 100 transitions, actually I think they are more than 100, I will leave you the link here in the description and also here on the top of the screen, and you can download them and then you come back, because these transitions that I'm giving you now are completely different. They are new transitions, okay? Now let's use the transitions. As you can see, if we open here the transitions, look how many transitions you have. A lot of transitions. Look at this. This is like a lot. I think it's more than 100 transitions. If you click in one of these, you can see that you have inside a lot, in and out. Of course, this number one, this is one transition, number two, this is two transitions, and so on. You have a lot of transitions here. So let's use one transition. Let's go here to our videos. We're gonna maximize it so you can see exactly what we're gonna do. And normally what I do is I go to the left 5 frames and I cut, 5 frames to the right and I cut. If you have a video of 60 frames per second, or you think that the transition is going too slow, you can actually add 8 frames instead of 5 or 10 frames. Just experiment. I know you're gonna find your way. Let's do something. Let's come here down and let's use a zoom. Let's use the first one because this is just an example so you can see how they work, okay? And now if we come here, you can see how the transition works. Nice, you see? But you know what? There's no sound. Look at this. It's just, there's no sound. So what can we do? I don't like it. We need to add a sound. So that's why I'm giving you the sound effects. Let's use this sound, this whoosh. I just chose it randomly, so I really hope it's gonna match this transition. Let's put it around here, maybe a little bit more. Now, if you see here, and I maximize this, the transition is really big, you see? It's long, it finishes already in the video. So what we can do is we press R, and then we just come here and we can cut it. We can also come with R to the other side and we can do exactly the same. And I think our transition is better. Still, I chose it randomly. I think it's like a horror transition. Let's see how it works. It's like a horror. Let's go to the next one so we can do another transition before we go to the LUTs, okay? And now again the same thing, 5 to the left and then 5 to the right, okay? But now I want to use a glitch effect. Let's see. Let's use the glitches and let's use the first one just because it's an example. And now we're gonna use these sound effects that I'm also giving you, the glitches. Let's put it around here. Let's maximize it to organize it how it's supposed to be. And with the glitch, actually, we don't need to use the R because the glitch sounds are very strong. I think we just can cut it over there. Again, we can put the volume down if you want, but I'm gonna leave it now like this so you can hear properly the sound of the glitch. Nice. Now you have to play with all the transitions, play also with all these sounds. I know you're gonna like it. Now I'm gonna show you the LUTs. Where it says Master LUT, you just click here. Remember that we are in effects. Now we open the Master LUTs and you can see that we have a lot of LUTs. Look at this, a lot of LUTs. And if you open each of them, we have a lot more. So that's why I was saying it's like more than 50, maybe 100 LUTs. So what we can do is, let's choose here in black and white, for example, this black classic F100. We just pull it and we just put it in our video. Look at this, simple as that. You can still come to the color panel and you can still tweak and change some things if you want and adjust it however you want. But there you go, you have the LUT already there. And now I'm gonna show you another one. Let's go here to the woods. Let's go to horror styles. And this one I like, Golden Terror. Let's see, because it's gonna give a very nice touch to these woods. Look at this, it's so scary. Amazing, it's really nice. So guys, enjoy everything that I'm giving you. You deserve it. More than 1,000 subscribers and we keep growing and keep growing. So thank you very much for your support.
Guys, for the pack, just go to the description. There is a link there. It's a Google Drive, so you just click it, download it, and that's it. I hope you enjoy the pack. Go to the comments also and let me know how was it. And now, until next week.